Everyone is welcome to the Chathura Vlogs YouTube channel. This video is to give you an understanding about Candlestick. Before learning about candlesticks, let's identify the candlestick together. A candle consists of 3 parts. That is, 1. Upper wick or upper shadow. 2. Lower wick or lower shadow. 3. Body. Now let's see what information we can get from these parts separately. 1. Upper wick. This simply shows the pressure of the sellers. What is the cause of this wick? A big upper wick was formed because the market, which was taken up by the buying pressure, was brought down again by the selling pressure. Now what idea can we get from this? At this time, the sellers are considerably powerful. After that, can we open a sell trade thinking that the market is down now? We can't, because we have only considered the upper wick yet, but there are 2 more parts. 2. Lower wick. This shows the buying pressure. That is, the market that was brought down by the sellers was brought back up by the buyers, so a lower wick was created. What can be gained from this? Now the buyers are also considered powerful. Then if the upper wick means that the sellers are powerful and the lower wick means that the buyers are powerful, if there are both wicks in the same candle, who is powerful? Body is important for this. 3. Body. This shows the winning team in the entire period. That is, a green body shows that the buyers have won overall and a red body shows that the sellers have won. Now let's see how exactly to say that. We cannot do this everywhere. A quality of a sniper is the position. A successful trader is also a sniper. We have to be patient until the right opportunity comes. When traders are weak, we take full advantage of that weakness. When the trades are weak, we can identify it by candle. These places have been given to us by experienced traders. We call candlestick pattern for these places. I will bring more details about it in the next video. If so, I'll see you in a new video. Have a good day everyone.